How to fix Flipkart cash on delivery not available. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Flipkart cash on delivery not available. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, check availability for your area. Cash on delivery availability varies by location. Enter your PIN code in the delivery section on the product page to check if COD is supported for your area. Other thing you need to follow is simply account verification. Make sure you verify your account by adding complete information under your profile settings. If this is not working, simply you can use a different account. Sometimes cash and delivery restrictions apply on a specific accounts. You might try ordering through another account. Lastly, you can clear cache and update the app. The outdated application creates this kind of error. Simply launch Play Store on your device. Now search for Flipkart online shopping app and tap update if there is available. Other thing is simply clear the cache. For that, long press on the application and tap I icon to get access the app info section of Flipkart. Select storage uses and tap clear cache. Following all the steps, you can easily fix Flipkart cash on delivery not available. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.